welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And today's video is things that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. It is like spring stuff and then the cleaning stuff. Yeah, so these are the things I picked up from the Target dollar spot. I didn't like too many things that they had, but I like recent. I love the recent stuff they put out for planting. I thought they were so fun and so pretty. So let me start with that. There's some pieces that I didn't find that I'm waiting to find, but let me just show you right now what I picked up. All right, so let's start with these. How cute are these? I just love them. They're well made, very strong. They don't look like they're gonna bend, which I love. But look how pretty these flowers are. I just love the pattern. I just love them. And it's a little rake, and I think this would last you a very long time. And these are $3 each. And then this, I guess, is I would use it just to, like, you know, go deep, make a hole for my plants, which I am starting to plant. So I will show you guys. And then I got this planter, which I love. I thought it matched it, and I'm loving green. So I picked this one. They had other colors, but I think this went well. And I seen in a lot of hauls that they had this, like in these flowers, which I really went to go find those. I really want those pots. And then they had a pitcher, which mine didn't have, so I was kind of bummed, but I'm gonna keep looking. And the gloves. I had gone one night, I saw them, and then I went the next day and they were gone. I think these are very, very pretty, so I picked these. And they have many, many other stuff. They have a lot of planters, pink ones, just a variety, even hanging ones. So check out the Target dollar spot. So I picked these, and I'm on the lookout for the planters, and I'm looking out for the pitcher and the gloves. I think that's it that I really want from this line. I don't remember. I seen a lot of hauls, and when I saw the pitcher and I saw this little planter that they had, I really wanted it. And then they had this little box. It's for the seeds, and you can use this even for recipes. You don't have to use it for the seeds, but I just love this pattern, so I picked this one up. And inside they have like cards, which I think are really cute. They're like for your herbs, can you see that? It's for the herbs, for your vegetables, you know. I think it's nice to keep everything in order and see when you planted them. And these are nice. It holds seeds. So I think this is cute too if you do a lot of planting and if you have a lot of seeds. And they're very pretty. It has the little dividers with the flowers. I think this is really pretty. And they have it in the green version like you saw in my pot. And then I picked this little pad. I thought it was cute. It kind of matched. It's not exactly, but it was flowery, and I thought it was so pretty. Then I got this, which I really wanted this because sometimes it tells you when I'm planting, it says, you know, 5 inches away or whatever, or 12 inches, and this is gonna be really helpful in the garden for me. I just love it. And it says on here how far the peas should be, the onions. I don't know, I thought this was really cute and actually really helpful. So back here it says, create organized lines. I guess this is what this is. I didn't know what it was. And then it says easier to hoe and prevents damaging vegetables. You got to have everything, you know, I guess a certain width apart. So anyway, I thought this was very helpful. And if you really want to garden, I think this would be really helpful. For any of you gardeners out there, I think this is really helpful. And it's made out of wood, and I like how it looks. So I was glad to find this. All right, anyway, I'm on the hunt for those 2 other things, but I thought this was really cute. So the next thing, I had gone when they had all the cleaning stuff out. I picked up these things. I picked up way like a month ago when they had them out. So I'm gonna show you what I picked up in this line, which I fell in love with this. Even if I don't use it, I can decorate with this and put this in my laundry room, but I think it's so fun just to clean and have pretty things. So let me show you what I have in the caddy. First of all, let me show you the 2 caddies I picked up. Okay, so I picked up this caddy that's square, and then this one, which is great for cleaning. You always need these caddies, I feel, you know, when you want to clean or if you want to store things. So these are great. I like the color. I would have liked it in white, but my Target didn't have white. So anyway, this is pretty. You could even use this in a little girl's room to store stuff in. You know, you can do endless things with these. All right, let me show you what I picked up from this line. It is so cute. I just loved how everything just matched. It just made me so happy. So I want to share with you what I picked up. Let's start with the apron. And I think they still have stuff out of this line. I'm not sure. I know my Target had a few other stuff left of this line. Okay, cute apron. They had many, many different aprons, different colors. I picked this because this is what I wanted to go with. And I like because it was very vintagey, the flowers and everything. All right, the apron was $3. You can't go wrong, $3 apron. And I picked up the gloves. The gloves were $3. They're very pretty, they're very long. I like when they're long when I clean because, you know, protects my clothes and I don't get wet. And then they had these tea towels, which I think they're so pretty. That's why I said it's very pretty. You can decorate in your laundry room with this color if you want some nice fun color. I just thought they were really cute. So I picked these three. And then they had these sponges. I just couldn't resist. I had to just get everything. And the price was right. This was $1. This was $3. You know, you can use them, like I said, or just, you know, just display it. And then they have this sponge. This is cute. This is just, I would have for decor only. And this dustpan with brush. How cute is this? This is so pretty. I wouldn't want to use it. I would just love to just hang it and just display it. So pretty. And then I got the candle, which would look pretty in the laundry room, I think. And it does really smell really good. Oh my God. I wish you guys can smell it. It does smell good. And they had a little soap dish, which I couldn't find that. I wanted it, but they didn't have it. Then this bottle, they only had one. I wanted to get a few of them. This was $1. You can't go wrong. This one I think I'm gonna fill up with my stain remover right by my laundry. So, because I just got one and I need a few of these for the cleaning, but I'll just use that for just a stain remover for the clothes. Oh yeah, and that line, I didn't find the little dish only. I just wanted more of the bottles and something else I wanted. Oh, I wanted the checklist of the cleaning. They didn't have it. Hi, Daisy. Daisy's here. Say hi, Daisy. So they didn't have like they had a clipboard with the check off of the spring cleaning for the cleaning. I can never find that. I guess they took that right away. So I love these wooden clips, these old-fashioned clothes clips. And then I got in this color too. I thought they were cute. Like these you could use just for decor, you know, put it in a bottle. So I like these. And then I picked up the pad, which I told you I wanted the one with the clipboard and, you know, the checklist for cleaning. And then it had a list of what to clean. I thought that was really cute. That I didn't find. I went a few times and it was always not there. And then I picked up these. I like these. You can put them on the bottles just for fun. So these are really cute. They're wooden. And these I just loved. I just love the font and everything. So I got 2 packs of these. These are really great. I just love them. And let me show you this caddy. It's really big. That's why I said you can even put in a little girl's room, put her brushes. You know, in a kid's bathroom, I think this would be perfect to like put their shampoos, their hair brushes. You could put the hair detangler, you know, like little clips in here. I think this is really great for a kid's room. So I love this, and if they had it in white, I would definitely have bought it. And if you find it in white, pick it up. Then this one is pretty deep, so I like this one too. Like a little wooden handle. So, all right, so that's what I picked up from the Target Dollar Spot. I know I haven't done a video with the Target Dollar Spot finds. I haven't found anything that I really liked, you know, in the past, but these two lines that they took out, I really like them. So, but I will be going back to the Target Dollar Spot and I will look for more gardening things because I love gardening things. Like I said, if you want to see more of me, more things that I do, more decor, shopping around, don't forget, go to my Instagram at Keeping Up with Miss Electra. Follow me there so you won't miss out. Like I just showed the new line, I think it was this Friday, from Target, Opal House. I showed everything that was there. It was really fun, all the new finds. So don't forget, follow me at Instagram. I have the link down below, so just click there and then just follow me. So go follow me, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like Target Dollar Spot, give this video a thumbs up. And let me know what was your favorite, what I picked this time. And I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!